looking for something funky and fun, I have the perfect home decor style for you. Welcome back to Home Decor 101, where we help you create spaces that really feel like home. Today, we're diving into one of the most fun and creative design styles out there, eclectic home decor. If you love mixing and matching, expressing your personality, and breaking a few rules, then this style is for you. And don't worry, if you're new to decorating, I've got all the tips and tricks you need to get started. Eclectic style is a versatile home decor approach that can take on really many interpretations depending on who you are. At its heart, it's about showcasing your personality through your space. It's vibrant, it's quirky, it's packed with a lot of visual charm. Perhaps you find yourself torn between the cozy charm of farmhouse rustic. Lyric, shut up. Yes, be quiet. Maybe you find yourself torn between the cozy charm of farmhouse rustic and the sleek lines of mid-century modern. Or maybe you prefer a look that's less polished and perfectly coordinated. Eclectic style offers the perfect solution, allowing you to blend a little bit of everything into your decor. So let's talk about what exactly is eclectic home decor. The definition of eclectic home decor is eclectic style is all about combining different design elements, think traditional, modern, bohemian, vintage, and more, into a cohesive and visually appealing space. It's less about following trends and more about curating pieces that really speak to you. Some of the key characteristics are a diverse mix of furniture and decor styles, layers of texture, pattern, and color, a balanced mix of old and new items, personal touches like artwork, travel finds, or heirlooms. The cool rule about eclectic is that there are no rules. There's not a lot of structure, and it's often created by mixing and matching all of these home decor looks that you may love into one cohesive theme. So there's not a guidebook to easily recreate style, but there are a few things that you're going to notice. One would be the mixed patterns. It's really a hallmark of eclectic style, so you're not going to see a lot of matchy, but like I mentioned in another spot in this video, you're going to see maybe one main color and different patterns featuring that. I see a lot of global influences as well. If you love to travel and explore, eclectic home decor is for you. Often you'll find a lot of home decor featuring globes and other things like worldly travel and inspiration woven throughout your eclectic home. It's also a really cool home decor style that you can mix old with new. You can mix things that you just purchased along with things that are vintage or antique, mixing together different time periods into one really beautifully done space. The other cool thing about eclectic home decor is you're gonna find little pops of things, places. It's really going to be unexpected. Everything is going to have its place, right? This isn't cluttercore, but you're going to find unexpected touches. So instead of a coffee table, you may see a big trunk. Once again, it's going to give you something unexpected, also give you those global travel vibes. So let's talk how to get started. Number one, start with a neutral base. Pick a neutral color palette for your walls and large furniture pieces. This creates a canvas that allows your eclectic pieces to really stand out and shine. Whites, creams, and soft grays work great for this. Number two, add statement pieces. Choose a few standout items like a bold patterned rug, a really funky chair, or an oversized piece of art. These pieces will anchor your space and really set the tone for the look that you're going for. Number three, mix textures and patterns. Pair smooth surfaces like glass or metal with soft textures like velvet or faux fur. Don't be afraid to mix patterns, florals with stripes, geometrics with abstracts. Just make sure that they share at least one common color that's going to tie them all in together. Number 4, layer and accessorize. Layer your decor by combining different heights and shapes. For example, place a stack of books on a coffee table and top it with a small sculpture or plant. Okay, so now that we have an idea of what we're looking for, let's talk where to find it. My obvious first tip would be thrift stores and flea markets. These are treasure troves for unique and budget-friendly finds. Look for vintage furniture, quirky decor, and really unusual art that you don't see everywhere. Online marketplaces are also really great for this, so I'm thinking Etsy, eBay, even Facebook Marketplace. They're great for discovering one-of-a-kind pieces that you don't see every time you go to the big box stores. You aren't going to see 500 of these things in someone's house. It's going to be really personalized to you. Boutiques and local shops in your area are also really good. It's a great way to support small businesses that offer a lot of handmade items. And of course, if push comes to shove, don't underestimate the power of a good DIY project. So Facebook sometimes will have this section where you can just pick up someone's basically junk. But don't think that it has to stay junk. You can bust out your good old trusty paintbrush and paint it a fun color, or reupholster a chair in a really bold fabric. There's several different eclectic color palettes out there as well. If you want to go neutral and bold, pair neutrals like beige and gray or white with pops of jewel tones like emerald, sapphire, and ruby. Or if earthy and vibrant is more your vibe, combine earthy tones like terracotta, olive green, and mustard with bright accents like turquoise or magenta. Of course, you always have the option to go monochromatic with a twist. Choose shades of one color family, then add interest with varying textures and patterns. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do eclectic decor. It's all about what makes you happy, what you like, what you love, and what reflects your personality. Start small, experiment, but above all, have fun with it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Home Decor 101 for more tips, and let me know in the comments how you plan to add an eclectic touch to your home. I'll see you next time, and happy decorating. I forgot to add, if you're not quite done watching home decor videos, check out one of these. They're on my channel as well. Now, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.